Hi, this is your deck, and today we will have a review about decimals, ratio, proportion, and fraction. Let's start with terminating or recurring decimals. So this is to classify a group of decimals. Let's start with the terminating decimal. This is a type of decimal wherein there is an end in the division process when changing a fraction to a decimal. For example, we have here 1/8. When you change this into decimal, you will divide 1 divided by 8 and you will have 0.125. The digit ended in number 5, and that is an example of a terminating decimal. When we are talking about recurring decimal, there is or are repeating digits to the division process when changing a fraction to a decimal. Let's say we have 1 over 3. When we change this into a decimal, it's 1 divided by 3. It will become 0.3333 and so on. 0.3333 is equals to zero point 0.3 with a dot at the top of the 3, pertaining that 3 is a repeating digit. And when there's a repeating digit or repeating digits, we call them recurring decimal. Let's try to compare the numbers of apples and oranges here. So as you can see, there are 6 apples and 2 oranges. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. We can say that there are 3 times as many apples as oranges. When we compare the number to oranges to apples, it's 2 divided by 6 or 2 over 6, which is also equal to 1 over 3. It means that the number of oranges is one third of the number of the apples. The ratio that we will be using here is apples to orange is equals to 6 is to 2 or 3 is to 1 when we change this to the lower form or the lowest form. Orange to apples is 2 is to 6 or 1 is to 3 in lowest term. In proportion, we can express this as 1 is to 3 equals to 2 is to 6. And in the fraction, the number of oranges is one third of the number of the apples. I will see you for our sit work. Thank you.